Okay, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Arnie Gutierrez. I am a senior product coach here for Investors Business Daily. I'm going to do a quick video on our proprietary report called the 197 Industry Group Report. I use this report during the weekends. I like to capture a macro perspective of what's going on in the market. Also allows all of our ratings, volume, price actions to get updated on Friday evening. So it gives me a chance to really dive in and see what had taken place for the week. To access the 197 Industry Group report, you can click on the Open Stock Ideas button here in the upper right-hand corner. As you can see, today's date, February 17th, we are in a confirmed uptrend, and we're going to click on the Uptrend tab, Weekly Review. Okay, we're going to scroll down to the 197 Industry Groups report. A little background about this report. It's a proprietary report. Just an FYI, it was created about 45 years ago, and the focus behind it was our founder, Bill O'Neill, wanted to know exactly where the money was flowing. All right, sectors was too broad. So he wanted to know exactly where the flow was. Our database is made up of 197 industry groups. We really don't focus too much on sector. And you can see it's in alphabetical order. And what I like to do on the weekends to really capture that industry group rotation or the money flow rotation, you can actually see here the different column headings here, which give you a nice little perspective if it's increasing or decreasing, specifically looking at the industry group rank 6 months ago, 3 months ago, last week, and current. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and sort this based on industry group rank, and I want the very first one on top. And as of now, it's oil and gas, field services, and you're gonna work your way down. So if I go ahead and click on the number one group, it brings up an industry group chart. What I'm gonna wanna do is make sure that I have the related information panel open, the slides over, because it allows me to drill down into this industry group, get captured a little bit more information and so forth. It gives you a nice little overview, stocks that make up that group, top stocks, as well as a little bit of sector information. And as you can see here, just in this sector, energy sector as well, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 industry groups that make up the energy sector. So like I mentioned earlier, you want to know exactly where the money was flowing. Okay, I like having top stocks, and very quickly I'm able to see the top stocks within the top industry groups. Okay, in order for an industry group to move up the ranking of 1 to 197, the stocks that make up that group, which would be these stocks in these groups here, have to be moving up in price and volume. Now, that's not the secret sauce, all of it, but I do know that it is price and volume action that give it the catalyst to move up in its ranking system. And that's why I like looking at it this way. Now, for a lot of people, 197 group, that's a lot of information to capture. There are nearly 7,000 stocks in the IBD database. I'm going to quote, I'm going to quote Mr. O'Neill, Bill O'Neill, in his book, How to Make Money in Stocks. He does say, pay attention to the top 40, but focus on the top 20. Pay attention to the top 40 industry groups, but focus on the top 20. So on the weekends, I'm going to pull up the top 40 and really drill down, see what's moving, see what stocks are holding up, looking at the chart as well. All right, maybe there's some industries that are falling out of place. Again, it's giving me a macro perspective, and it's allowing me to drill down. Okay, that's one of the ways I'm going to use it. Another way I'm going to use it is I call it the money pot. And this is kind of pretty cool. This is the way I like to use it is I'm going to sort the industry group rank from 3 months ago, and I want the 197 on top. I want the worst group 3 months ago. And I'm going to look for some type of strength rotation taking place. For example, leisure travel booking 3 months ago. We can even go 6 months ago, 195, 177. Last week it was 50. Now it's 30. I want to know what's going on in this group. Okay. And I'm on a weekly chart, obviously there, but I wanted to see exactly what's going on, and I want to focus on some of these stocks here, drill down, maybe Airbnb's in there, trip.com. But I'm looking for that rotation to take place. And I'm going to put a little bit more emphasis when you start getting into the top 40. Okay. And the beauty behind this system, and it's all based on price action, right? With the mentality of this, all stocks are bad unless they go up. All right. So again, looking at this report here, I'm looking for some type of rotation taking place. I like looking at it visually and looking to see how it's moving up in its ranking. All right. And it gives me a macro perspective on this. And I do this on the weekend. And once again, that capture, for those of you that are using the 197 industry groups, are looking to learn more about it, we do have webinars on our homepage. Just an FYI, you could go to the homepage here, resources, webinars, and access that an industry group webinar. They're here. It's under platform features, and there's another one under chart analysis to really dive in and go into detail on this. Again, thank you for listening. My name is Arnie Gutierrez. Have a great weekend. Enjoy the 3-day weekend. We'll see hopefully how this market finishes. We still have about 15 minutes left. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.